Konnichiwa, good afternoon, namaste, Nimbulu Nakatuyon. It gives me much pleasure to witness today's sending over of 50 Judo Uniforms to the Fiji Judo Association. Before I elaborate further, I wish to touch a little on the founding blocks to which Judo in Fiji over its existence. I've been duly informed that the sports of judo was brought to Fiji not by a professional or established judoka, but through the pages of a book written by Mr. Isawa Inokuma, an Olympic gold medalist at the 1964 Games, and an all-Japan champion, which was wonderfully interpreted by Mr. William Takawa, who was fortunate enough to meet the very same Mr. Inokuma, who then went on further to introduce the sports of judo throughout the country. Following his learning of the sports at Tokai University in Japan, the courtesy of the kind generosity of the same book's author, Mr. Inokima. So it came be said that the sports of judo in Fiji is the brainchild of these two great sportsmen and judoka. This brings to us today's ceremony, which is symbolic of the following. First, it signifies the underlying relationships that exist between the government of Japan and the sport-loving enthusiasts of Fiji, in this case, hardened practitioner of the sports of judo. To a further extent, it also underlined the relationship that both of our governments enjoy today. Also, the commitment that the government of Japan has placed on the development of sports in general, in countries like Fiji and neighboring islands country of the South Pacific. Lastly, it symbolizes the spirit in which all sports is played. The spirit of sports, that is the spirit of friendship, solidarity, and togetherness, fun and joy, teamwork, dedication and commitment. It is for this reason that I, as the Minister of Youth and Sports, on behalf of the Fijian government, uphold the Japanese government for its committed stance towards such sporting development. The sport of judo has been one of the most consistent sports to have qualified for and represented Fiji at past Olympic Games, and former judoka, the likes of the current president of Fiji Judo Association, Mr. Laisenia Tuitubou, and Miss Cecilia Nasinga, have brought us prestige at the Commonwealth Games. Fijians therefore are naturally gifted, and I wish to call on more people to take up the sports of judo and undoubtedly become renowned judoka like Miss Takawa and Miss Nasinga. Even though the sports is relatively minor here in the country, it does not take away the fact that it is physically demanding game and requires commitment and determination. Therefore, I wish to urge all you judoka enthusiasts to endeavor to the pinnacle of the sports and to remain dedicated to your training as we build towards the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, as we have, it was alluded by the chairman of the CEO of the FESNOC. I wish to reiterate that the Fijian government will be on hand to provide the assistance, and if when required, as it is enshrined in our inclusive approach, but we want you to rise and improve yourself through your own energies. We will never cease to provide the support that is needed to ensure sporting excellence is accomplished in the international stage. Work with us as we venture towards the future of a bright and enduring Fijian sporting prospect. With these few words, I wish Fiji Judo all the success in the future, and may the sending over of these 50 judoka uniforms be the start of a bigger and better things to come for sports in this country. To conclude, I look forward to more worthwhile and fruitful collaboration between our governments in order to nurture friendly and fulfilling relationships between the people of Fiji and Japan. Thank you, Binakawalebu, Daniabad, and Arigato gozaimasu.